Hello, guys. This is welcome Saturday. Welcome to our viewers.
I am Gabriel Godoy.
I am Ferry Gervasio.
I'm Jonas Lenzi.
Hi, so today, Philippines 2026. So, may I know kung taga-saan kayo?
I am currently from Quezon City, but I'm representing Philcop Australia.
I live in Bacoor, Cavite, and I will represent, of course, Bacoor, Cavite.
Taga-saan kayo?
I'm from Imus Cavite.
Alright, so, bakit kayo sumali ng Mr. Teamwork Philippines?
I joined Mr. Teen World Philippines because I want to prove everyone that I deserve to represent the Philippines in the upcoming events or competitions nationwide.
I joined this pageant because I want something. I have something to prove, and I want to be the speaker of. I want to be the speaker for those who have a lot of unspoken words. I want to be their voice. I want to be their eyes, and I want to be seen, heard, and yeah, yun. I want to. I want to be the way for them to speak those unspoken words.
Ba't kaya sumali ng Mr. Teamwork Philippines?
Sumali po ako dahil para ma-experience ko po yung ito pong competition na to at para gustong gusto ko rin po talaga makuha yung platform para makalaban sa global.
Ayan, so, siyempre, ito ba yung una niyong national pageant?
This is my first national pageant actually. I've joined many pageants and model events, but this is the first national pageant I've joined. Yes.
Same, I also joined pageants, but just school pageants. And this is my first national pageant.
Um, I'm formerly nakapag-pageant po ako sa innovation po nung nakaraang buwan, then ito po yung second time.
Second na. Ayan, so, pwede ko malaman namin kung nag-aaral pa kayo or may work kayo? At saka saan?
Yes, I'm currently studying in the University of the East Manila, and I'm taking the strand of Humanities and Social Sciences. Currently grade 12.
I am currently taking BS Marine Engineering at PNTC colleges.
Yes, so nag-aaral po ako ngayon senior high po, grade 12.
Ayan. So, nung sumali ka dito, ano reaction ng families mo?
Actually, they insisted me to join pageants actually, and talagang supportado sila sa kahit anong ginagawa ko, and I'm really thankful and grateful for them. Grabe yung support nila. Yeah, I'm thankful for them.
They're shocked po, nagulat po sila kasi this is my first national pageant. Then, very supportive sila. Yung, well, yeah, okay.
Actually po, si Papa po talaga yung nagsabi sa akin, then finors ko na lang po, grinab ko na lang po yung opportunity.
So, ayan. So, siyempre maraming nangyayari ngayon sa mundo. And may intro naman kayo siguro ng social media. So, ano message nyo na lang sa mga, ano nyo, mga loved ones nyo na supporters, lalo na kaya sila na supportan na kayo.
Ayun, I'm inviting my TikTok fans or Instagram fans, even my families or friends, to support me in to joining Mr. Teen World Philippines. And ayun, di ko kayo bibiguin. Thank you.
Hiyati-hiyati mo yung mga supporters mo and your family to support you.
Uh, Hello guys, support me and I will not be your disappointment. I will represent every one of you.
So, always support me, special to my family po. Lalo na kay Papa na lagi pong nasama sa akin. Huwag lang pong magsawang maniwala po sa akin, pati kay mama po, na naniniwala po sa akin.
Alright, thank you so much and good luck on your future.
Thank you, thank you.